Well, here's the BC-348-Q receiver used on the B-17 aircraft in World War II. I've been determined to fix the BFO in this thing. It's been off frequency and just simply wouldn't work correctly. So I took apart the BFO control, took it out, thinking that I could mechanically adjust it, but that didn't work out. So next, I replaced all the Mica capacitors in here. I think those are Mica. Those things seemed like they were reasonable on my capacitance meter, but I jammed in some new ones anyway, and I'm probably too far off on the values now. At any rate, here's the circuit right here. You can see the capacitors, a 250 pip puff. There's a 300 puff and a 50 puff capacitor going into that tube there for this thing. And the assembly is the thing with a knob that I'm turning with 3 terminals. So I got the scope on it, and I am getting a waveform off of it. It's just probably the wrong frequency. So let's see what we got here. So there's 2 megahertz. I think the oscillator on this thing is running, the IF's running around almost a megahertz, like 915 or something. So yeah, I gotta get that synced up right now. So I gotta get a frequency counter on here and see what I can do. That's next step. Thanks for watching.